You're living in one of the most exciting moments in history, a revolution powered by artificial intelligence or AI. This isn't science fiction. AI is already transforming how we live, work, and solve problems. From discovering new music to diagnosing diseases, AI is making our world faster, smarter, and more connected. Understanding AI isn't just for tech experts anymore, it's for everyone. For centuries, humans built tools to make us stronger and faster. Now we're building tools that help us think better. Imagine a partner that can sift through billions of data points in seconds, spot patterns we'd miss, and help tackle humanity's biggest challenges. The future, your future, will be shaped by how we use this technology. That's why it's crucial for all of us to grasp what AI is and what it isn't. By learning the basics, you can join the conversation and help ensure AI is used responsibly and ethically. This isn't just a tech lesson. It's a glimpse into the future you'll help create. So, let's dive in and explore the world of artificial intelligence together. When you hear artificial intelligence, you might picture a talking robot, but AI is much more than that. At its core, AI is about making computers and software smart, able to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Unlike traditional programs that follow strict instructions, AI can learn from experience, recognize patterns, and make decisions. Think of the difference between a cookbook and a chef who invents new dishes. AI is the chef. AI systems can process information, learn from new data, and make choices to achieve the best outcome. For example, an AI chess player doesn't just follow moves, it predicts strategies and adapts. AI isn't about recreating the human brain, but simulating intelligence in new ways. It can read and analyze more information in minutes than a human could in a lifetime. This superhuman scale is what makes AI so powerful and opens up endless possibilities. That's the real magic behind AI. Not all AI is the same. There are two main types. The first, and the only one we have today, is artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. ANI is a specialist. It excels at one specific task, like recommending movies, recognizing faces, or filtering spam. These systems are fast and accurate, but take them outside their comfort zone and they're lost. They don't have common sense or understanding. They're just powerful, single-purpose tools. The second type, still science fiction, is artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI would be a generalist, able to learn and solve any problem, just like a human. It could chat about philosophy, fix a leaky tap, or compose music, all with common sense and creativity. As of now, AGI doesn't exist. We're still far from building machines with flexible, human-like intelligence. So remember, today's AI is narrow and specialized, not the all-knowing robots of the movies. We're living in the age of narrow AI. The era of general AI is still ahead. How does AI get smart? The answer is data, tons of it. Most AI learns through machine learning. Instead of following rules, it learns from examples. Training an AI to recognize cats, for instance, means showing it millions of labeled images, cat or not a cat. The AI looks for patterns, makes guesses, checks if it's right, and adjusts itself over millions of cycles. Gradually, it learns to spot the features that make a cat, even in new photos. This process is used everywhere, translating languages, detecting fraud, or filtering spam. But remember, AI doesn't understand like humans do. It just finds statistical patterns in data. That's why the quality and quantity of data matter so much. If the data is flawed, the AI will be too. The smarter the data, the smarter the AI. Data is the fuel that powers every AI breakthrough. You use AI every day, often without noticing. Unlocking your phone with your face or fingerprint? That's AI. Typing a message and getting word suggestions? AI again. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa? AI understands and responds to your commands. Streaming services like Netflix or Spotify use AI to recommend shows and music tailored just for you. Social media feeds, navigation apps, and even your email spam filter, all powered by AI. Navigation apps analyze real-time traffic and reroute you instantly. Banks use AI to spot unusual transactions and prevent fraud. AI is the invisible helper making your digital life smoother, safer, and more personal. It's everywhere, working behind the scenes. AI's biggest advantage: speed and efficiency. Unlike humans, AI never gets tired. It can work non-stop, analyzing massive amounts of data in seconds. In science, AI can scan millions of compounds to find new drugs in hours, not years. In medicine, AI analyzes X-rays and MRIs, sometimes spotting diseases earlier than doctors. It's not replacing experts, but giving them powerful new tools. Businesses use AI to automate tasks, optimize supply chains, and predict problems before they happen. In finance, AI trades stocks in milliseconds and manages investments with complex analysis. AI-powered education platforms adapt to each student's needs, while chatbots answer questions instantly. The result? Lower costs, more personalized services, and new opportunities for everyone. AI is making life faster, smarter, and more efficient, and it's just getting started. AI's power comes with real challenges. One big issue is bias. If AI learns from biased data, it can make unfair decisions, like favoring certain job candidates. Developers are working to fix this by using fairer data and transparent algorithms. Privacy is another concern about Sheet and Burats. Bray and Bakes or Bray Bard or Bray A and Dre. So de nou waar Bryce zit dams. Deze door tendrier warswai you might rar. And all we know on personal data, raising questions about who owns it and how it's used. Strong rules and regulations are needed to protect our information. AI will also change the job market. Some jobs will disappear, but new ones will emerge that require creativity and critical thinking. The key is to help people adapt through education and retraining. Most importantly, the future isn't humans versus machines. It's humans and machines working together. The best AI augments human intelligence, helping us make better decisions and create new possibilities. Our goal should be responsible, ethical AI that reflects our values. By making smart choices now, we can build a future where AI benefits everyone. AI is a tool, and it's up to us to use it wisely.